Namaste, parents. I am Rajshekhar, correspondent of few budget schools in Hyderabad. I am from a technology background. I did my engineering. I went to US. I stayed there for 20 years. I moved back. I have a passion for education and I am running these schools, budget schools, with low fees. Everyday innovation is my daily job, because I had to innovate whatever big schools have with a low budget and give it to these people who are studying in my schools. So most of them, my parents are maids, auto drivers and daily wage workers. So mostly my schools consist of these kind of people. So because of this corona, a lot of schools, not only small schools, even big schools, have the problem of how to conduct classes for the kids. So big schools, they found a way, whether it is effective or not, but at least it works in this environment, which is having Zoom classes, and the teacher will teach remotely and kids follow and go through it. But there is a problem. This solution may not work for small schools. The reason being, one Zoom class for 1 hour takes around 850 MB of data. So which means it essentially 4 hours, if they took 4 or 5 hours, it's going to be almost 3.5 GB or 4 GB, and most of my parents doesn't have a internet or router at home, so they would be depending on mobile data plans which have a limit of 1 GB. Even if they go for 3 GB, 4 GB kind of plans, it costs around 500 rupees per month from the data itself. And if there are 2 kids, it's going to be 2 mobiles with 500 rupees, 1000 rupees just for data for running these classes. Usually the fees in our school ranges from 1000 to 2000 per month. But if we have to spend 1 more 1000 on top of it for data, which is not a viable thing for the parents of our school. So that being said, not only that, there might be other network problems and stuff like that, and also anytime if we open the school based on government guidelines, there might be a possibility that somebody have this corona infection within the neighborhood and they make it as a containment zone and they ask us to close the school. Then again these kids don't know how long they have to spend in holidays and not having to continue the rest of the year. So with this problem, I have come up with a solution which mostly will work with this kind of people, because most of my parents or even a small locality have bought TVs, even if it is small, in the last few years, and most of the TVs have come up with a pen drive option. I did a research in my schools and mostly almost 90% of the people have either that or a smartphone. So the idea that I have come up with is, we are recording videos of the teachers teaching each of the subject for each of the class, and we are getting all of them in a daily plan with every day what are the different videos that they have to watch, and along with that what is the homework they have to do after watching that video. So we are coming up with this kind of plan for every class, for every day. So ideally, if there are 2 kids in a family, they can choose between like morning half to one kid and evening half to other kid, or vice versa, and they should be able to continue their studies and they can finish their homework as well. So what we are asking was, after 1 week they come to school and give this whole classwork and homework book to the school, so that teachers will start doing the corrections and stuff like that, and they will replace the old content with the new content for the next 1 week with a clear detailed plan of what needs to be done. This is I feel is a very good model, which we don't know what is going to happen in future for this whole year. So with this kind of plan, we are assured that the whole year goes on very well in a very detailed manner. But the other advantage of this is, kids can, if they don't understand, like usually kids attention span lies for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and they do lose the sight. So if they don't understand a particular concept, or they need to take a break, they can take it at their individual level, or they can rewind it and watch it again and try to understand the concept in a much better way. So individualized learning is possible with this kind of approach. And also teachers, since they don't need to spend a lot of time controlling the kids, they are available to talk to any kid in a personalized manner and solve their doubts on phone or on Zoom session or something like that. And they should be able to contact the parents on a regular basis and the kids on a regular basis, trying to find out what problems they are facing. So the teacher parent interaction and the individualized learning, all of these things can get better with this approach. And because of this corona, the whole year is assured to be done in much more effective way, like any other big international school. So we already started doing this approach in Hyderabad, and we are already recording, coming up with the plans and all those stuff, for mainly for the budget schools scenario. This kind of approach nobody in Hyderabad, not even in India that I know, are doing, at least now. There might be cases like Byju's and all who come up with the videos, but they don't have the whole year plan, daily making the kids go through the whole year in the syllabus that's been given, and homeworks, classworks. That whole learning process is not taken care by the teachers who can help them out. So this is the whole school, but done in a remote way. So not only that, we kids can stay anywhere in Hyderabad. We have 5 branches in Hyderabad. Kids can stay anywhere in Hyderabad. They can enroll in any of the school. Since it has to be one trip in a week, it's manageable. Even they are very remote to one of our school. So I want all of you, whoever are watching, if you feel this is the good way to solve the problem of budget schools and give education to these kids, I want you to go and talk to your maids, drivers, or any of the people that you are connected with, and take them through one of our schools, or let them come and visit our schools and enroll in this program, so that they don't need to spend so much money on their mobile phone plans. Still they can get very good education in one of our schools in this way. Thank you, and any questions you can always contact me. Thanks.